Hi and welcome to session 5. The fact that you're showing up session after session means that you are a cut above the ordinary. It means that you have decided to take charge of your life, of your mind. So congratulations, and remember your efforts will pay off. Now, talking about effort, during the practice, keep your effort light. So a common metaphor is to think about the effort involved in holding a bird. You don't hold it so tight that you hurt it, but not so loose that it flies away. So let's get started. Make yourself comfortable. Keep your back straight but not rigid. And notice if you can increase your sense of comfort by tucking your chin slightly lower as if you're reading a book in your lap. Find what works for you until you're comfortable but not slouched, relaxed and aware. And take a few slow, deep breaths. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Breathing in and out through your nose again. Gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to the surface of your body, to the sensations from your skin. Experience the air on your skin, the clothes on your skin, and the contact of your body on the chair. You notice the sensation of weight, the pressure of your body on the chair. Scan your body from head to toe, experiencing the sensations as you do so. So starting from the top of your head, working your way down, experiencing the sensations, right down to the tip of your toes. You can sort of picture your body as you're experiencing the sensation. Moving your attention back to the contact between your body and the chair, and noticing the contact of air on the skin. And slowly and gently opening your eyes. So in this session, we mainly noticed sensations from the body. Some people find that easy, others find that really difficult. Remember that each session is creating new pathways in your brain, and research shows that just a few weeks of meditation transforms brain function, improving memory, sleep, mood, and a whole lot more. So do keep up the practice, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.